Okay, today I'm gonna make noodle soup tilapia fish. This is all my herb right here: hot pepper, golonka, finger roots. So this is all the herb and lemongrass right here. That's the lemongrass. They already chopped lemongrass already, so I used the one they chopped already. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all this multi-herb medicine soup in the pot right here. And this is ground turmeric. Turmeric is very good for you. You know, you benefit this turmeric right here I use from Thailand products, because when we come to Thailand product, it's something I know natural and organic. So the ground put in here already. So I'm gonna show you. Put just a little bit because they are herb medicine for me. About 1 spoon. So just go ahead and put in soup right here. There you go. Now this is my tilapia fish. About 5 fillet tilapia. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in here to my soup. Dump in my soup right here, and that will boil about 15 minutes cooking. It's not too long. It's good food and healthy. So let them boil for 15 minutes. Okay, this is my ingredient. This is fish sauce, and this is chicken broth powder, and this is 3 crab fish sauce and sauce. That's it. Okay, this is fish sauce. 1 big spoon right here, fish sauce, and 2 spoon, 3 crab sauce, 2 spoon. Chicken broth, about half big spoon. Sauce, about 1 spoon, small spoon. Brown sugar, I gonna put this just a little bit for flavor and taste. This is brown sugar, so I just put just a little bit for balance, you know, make the taste balance out and then taste nice and smooth and taste good. So just that's it. Let them boil for 10 minutes. Okay, this 10 minutes already. The fish already cooking. All I have to do is smash the fish, become like together, and then I don't want to blend it, because when I blend it, it's so smooth, and I just want to chop rough. So I do just smash like that. I don't want too fine. I don't want to blend it so fine. I just want rough chop, so I can have some chunks, like that. So see that? This is medicine soup, you guys. Medicine soup. It feels so good after you eat it. You don't feel guilty. You feel good in your stomach, and go sleep happy because it's medicine. Right there. Okay, my medicine soup done. I'm gonna turn it off. Medicine soup, you guys. Turn it off. It's done. It look good, right? It look delicious. Okay, turn it off. Done. Now I'm gonna cook my noodle. I am cook my noodle. This is rice noodle here, and I'm using this brand right here. 802. The number 802. The brand is just like a farmer. This is rice noodle from Vietnam. So I'm using this. This is a good noodle, you guys. So try it. Try this noodle. You can make any kind of noodle to be on your food or soup or salad, whatever. This is good one right here. I boiled my noodle. This is about 6-7 minutes to be done. So just boil them. Let them boil it for 6-7 minutes to be done. Okay, my noodles done. I'm gonna clean this. So right here. So clean second water, clear it out. Clean that noodle right here. Ready to eat. So easy. Ready. Okay, the noodle in the place now. That's all I need, just a little bit. That's good because the soup is so much vitamin, so much everything, so much benefits, so you don't need to eat too much. So this is good for me. Okay, here come the soup, ready to go. See that? Looks so good. I cannot wait to eat this. Looks so good. Wow, it looks so good. That's it. How does it look, guys? Look yummy, right? Yes. And now, gonna topping the vegetable. Topping a cilantro. Green bean. I love the bean. Look at that. Here you have it. Look, this is very healthy food and medicine food called noodle. I make say Lao called kaupun soup, or you can say fish noodle soup. Homemade, guys, very healthy, very easy. 10-15 minutes, that's it. So that's it. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe. I will show you more good food, healthy food to eat. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.